How to change Temu checkout premium. So if you want to change the Temu checkout premium, let's get started. Whether you are a first-time user or a seasoned shopper, this card is perfect for you. First, let's understand what the minimum checkout amount is and why you might want to change it. On Temu, the minimum checkout amount is the smallest total cost of products you need in your cart. Before you can complete your purchase, adjusting this setting can be useful in managing your budget or planning larger purchases. Unfortunately, Temu does not allow you to change the minimum checkout amount directly through the settings, but I'll show you a few strategies to work around this one. So the one effective method is to combine smaller items into a single order to meet the minimum requirement. Start by adding the desired items to your cart. Once you have selected an item, continue shopping for small adds-on because those are essential until you reach the minimum requirement. Another great tactic is to prepare your purchase in advance. Use a digital motor shopping app to list items you will eventually need a batch and make them into a single purchase. This way, you can make sure you are always ready to meet the minimum checkout amount when you need to make a purchase. Use this feature while browsing and add items you are interested in your wish list. Once you have enough items to meet the minimum checkout requirement, move them from your wish list to your cart and make a checkout. And this will help you to keep track of what you want to buy and makes it easy to raise the minimum checkout amount. And that's it for today. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.